Boost your conversational skills. Mastering, what's your favorite, and which do you prefer? Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. We're going to dive into the wonderful world of expressing preferences. We'll focus on using what's your favorite and which do you prefer to ask about likes and dislikes. These are powerful tools to make your conversations engaging and to understand others better. So, let's get started. What's your favorite is a great way to find out what someone likes most in a certain category. Let's see it in action. Example 1. What's your favorite color? Example 2. What's your favorite food? The key here is that the category, like color, food, movie, etc., should be broad. The person asked can choose any item within that category as their favorite. Next, we have, which do you prefer? This question is used when we have a choice between a limited number of options. Example 1. Which do you prefer, tea or coffee? Example 2. Which do you prefer, cats or dogs? In each case, we're giving two options, and the person asked must select one of these options as their preference. Now, let's put these phrases into practice. We'll use some role-playing scenarios to see how these questions can be used in a conversation. Scenario 1. Meeting a new friend. Person A. Hi, I'm Alex. I love music. What's your favorite genre? Person B. Hello Alex, I'm Bella. I love jazz music. Scenario 2. Discussing movies. Person A. Which do you prefer, action movies or romantic comedies? Person B. I prefer action movies. There's something about the thrill and suspense that I really enjoy. Feel free to practice these role-playing scenarios with a friend or even just out loud by yourself. And that wraps up our lesson on what's your favorite and which do you prefer. These phrases can add depth to your conversations and help you get to know people better. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use these questions when chatting with friends, family, or new acquaintances. Thanks for joining us, and keep practicing your English.